Hello and welcome back, everybody. It's time for another one of... Yeah, roll the clip.
Boris Adventure, Boris Adventure, Boris.
Well, I will never get used to that. Yeah, let's get to it. Today I got the honor to drive the Ural crane truck, and we are going to lift all of this stuff up on that black thing over there. So let's start with getting the anchors out. So the anchors is out and the truck will stand solid on the ground, like me, and my face solid to the ground after too much vodka. So yeah, let's get into this and see if I can drive it. Come on! So a fair warning, it's really windy today, so I cannot promise how this will end, but let's try it! So I'm going to start here with both driving the arm and the hook. Let's see how I will do this. Yes! Going, yes, I'm going up here. Fantastic! Let's see if we can get it up. Oh man, it's really windy. Look at that hook go! It's just spinning around! Oh my, this will be really interesting to try to move some load with this wind. But yeah, the turning working good on the crane, I must say. Look at it! Let's see if we can get the chains on this first pallet here with some oil barrels. Let's start this out easy. Oh, there the chains went down. Yeah, let's fix it. So, now we're hooked. Let's see if we can lift it. Yes, going good. And it does not start swinging around yet. Oh, but now the wind is taking it. Oh, it's spinning. This is really scary. Oh my god, it's spinning so much. Look at it go. Oh yeah, let's turn the crane and see how this will end. Slow and steady win the race. Come on, yes, I think this will work good. There we have it. So let's try to extend the arm here. Yes, going good. Now we should be able to put it down there. This wind be nice now. Yes. Oh, this going. Oh, it start turning. Well, it's down now. Ah, perfect. So I was thinking I'm going to take the container now right away and just skip the other pallet because it's too windy. But hopefully this will go better because it's some more weight in this container and hopefully it will not spin around that much. Let's see if we can lift it. Yes, we can, and the crane is standing. Fantastic. Oh, it starts spinning, but not as much as the little pallet. Yes, this I think will work really good. Man, this crane is strong. So let's see if we can turn it over there without the wind turning it too much. Oh, wrong way. Sorry, my bad. Let's see. This should be right. Yes, let's take it over here, nice and steady. Now we only need to extend the arm a bit more. Yeah, look at it. It's strong. And after we have done that, we should be able to get it in right place, I hope. Let's just take the arm down a bit, no problem. And now we just need to take the container down. And hopefully the wind will not take it too much. Stop spinning, stop, that's not really. I need to, come on. No, that will not do, I think. We need to get it up a bit. Let's turn around and down now. Perfect. Now I only need to get it loose. And then I think we will pack this crane up because it's too much wind. It's no idea trying to lift the third pallet. So yeah, let's see if we can get it all down again. Nice and steady. I think this is straight. I hope so anyway. So let's see if we can get it down. Yes, I really think this is going great. A bit to the right, maybe left here somewhere, and down we go. Perfect. So that was all for the crane. So next time I will test drive this, but yeah, this will do for now. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and yeah, Subscribe, like, comment, do all that stuff now. Goodbye, everyone.